welcome to another video today. I'm so glad you stopped by because today's topic is pretty important. But first, if you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Aaron Bowman. I'm a local realtor with Mazda Real Estate, and I have a real estate team called the Bowman Realty Group. My team and I cover all aspects of real estate, from residential, commercial, and real estate investing. So let's jump into today's topic, renters insurance. Here's a quick stat. More than half of the renters between the ages of 23 and 29 do not have renters insurance, which puts them at a pretty huge risk. So why would you as a renter want this low-cost insurance? It's simple because you never know when tragedy will strike. For example, one of our multifamily properties recently had caught fire. Now, I can't go into great detail because it's under investigation, but if you'd like to see the full story, you can definitely check out the link down below, right there. The reason I bring this up is that the tenants did not have renters insurance, even though we as a company recommend it to all of our tenants. Now they have lost all their possessions in the home due to the fire and have to pay out of pocket to replace them all, which kind of sucks. And you can see why, because it gets pretty expensive. So let's take a look at the top 5 reasons for renters insurance. And these are in no particular order, in case you're wondering. Number 1, protection of your guests. This is especially important if you have pets. You, as a tenant, are liable when you have guests and they are accidentally bitten by your pet while they are in your premise. Don't care what kind of animal you have. All dogs have teeth. All dogs bite. So make sure you have it. Number 2, repair or replacement of stolen items. According to the insurance study, in a typical 2-bedroom apartment, the total value of clothing, electronics, jewelry, appliances, and other possessions come to around a whopping $30,000 to $40,000. In case of theft or burglary, your renter's insurance policy will give you the cash benefit to allow you to replace lost or stolen items, which is huge. Now, number 3, fire damage due to short circuit. Electrical issues leading to a fire are usually not covered by landlords. Negligence on your part can make you liable not only for your belongings but also for the damaged part of the house. So when you're plugging a whole bunch of stuff into one outlet, let's not do that. Let's get one of those power strips. Now, coverage for extended fires. If the damage is due to a fire that started from your own unit and it spreads to other occupants in the building, the more liability you will incur. Sometimes it pays to have the more expensive coverage to make sure you're protected. Now, number 5, coverage for damage you cause, which is going to happen. It can't be helped. Renters also cause unintentional damage to their properties. Water overflowing from bathrooms, falling items because they were not secured properly, and breaking glass falls under this category. If this happens and they ruin the sofa and carpet, you can call your insurance company and they will handle the costs and repairs of restoration so you can get your security deposit back, which is a good thing. Now, here's a bonus one covered by renters insurance, and this is number 6, extended theft. This is special coverage that applies to stolen items that were not placed inside your rental space. For example, you would maybe have items that are stashed away in a storage area outside your rental property, in your car, in a trailer, and they would be covered just like the other theft policy. So the crust of the biscuit is this. Don't think your landlord will replace your items when mayhem happens. Yeah, I can't talk today. It's in your best interest as a landlord to let your tenants know of the benefits of renter's insurance and to point them in the direction of a local insurance agent that can help them out with this. As a renter, it's best to protect yourself and not take the chance of having to replace all your personal items, as it can get pretty expensive really fast. As we saw, it's $30,000 to $40,000 worth of stuff in a 2-bedroom apartment. So I hope this helps, and please like, share, and subscribe to get notified of our next video. Also, let me know why or why not you wouldn't get renter's insurance. I'm curious. Just comment down below or wherever you're watching this from, whatever platform this gets posted on, because it does get pushed out everywhere. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.